Okay guys, I'll be showing you how you can calibrate a steam flow transmitter. So the first thing I do is to take out the cover of the transmitter, then isolate the line so that you can bleed out wherever pressure is in the line. Now, using your screwdriver, take out the block for the vents. Now, I printed out the tag number using my Epson machine for the flow transmitter termination. That is the negative and the positive side. As you can see, this is going to help me identify these cables and the process flow from the DCS side. Now I inserted the printed termination tags into the transmitter and I ensure my termination is done correctly, as you can see. Next thing, I hooked up my process calibrator to the transmitter and I block the vent. Reason why I am blocking back the vent is because I want to carry out calibration and I don't want any escape of pressure. Now I go to DCS and I confirm that my termination from the DCS side is also correct. Now I begin my calibration process, starting from the 4 to 20 milliamps, which will be the same thing with 0 to the high side of this flow transmitter. Now, as you can see, my process calibrator is giving me a current of 3.9. Now I have adjusted it to 4.0, which is okay. Now 121.29 on my differential pressure calibrator, as you can see, must correspond with 20 MA, talking about 20 milliamps. So we have been able to find out that at 20 milliamps, my pressure on this transmitter is on the high side, which is in line. So you see 20 milliamps and we have 121.40. So the high side of the pressure is in accordance with 20 milliamps. Now what do I need to do? I need to check for 0, so I bleed off the pressure in the differential pressure transmitter, and at 0 I am having 4.0 MA. So at 0 I have 4.0 MA, and at 121.9 I'm having 20 MA. So this transmitter is good to go. So I put back the cover to avoid water ingress. Then I put back the block for the vents. Next thing is to line up the necessary valves and open up the necessary valves to allow process flow, as you can see, which is what I'm doing right now. So I've opened up the valve, lined up the transmitter, and the transmitter is currently good to go